So you're trying to paint your R53 door panel trim. You've already been shown how to take the actual complete panel off. So as far as painting it, it's pretty simple. You need to cover it. Give me one moment. You need to go ahead and cover everything you don't want spray painted. You will really want to take your time with this. Be extremely meticulous. And that's just regular painter's tape and a bunch of material that came from Amazon packages. You know, the paper that they have in there with them. If you notice here, it didn't really matter what you see at the bottom because it's at the bottom. Set. I have my primer, I have my spray paint, and now I'm about to start spraying. A couple of coats, let it dry, and you're done. The gray primer is on. Let this dry. And you're not really putting thick coats down. You're just trying to spray it light as best you can. And then you move on from there. There, paint it. Now it's just time to let them dry. Then we'll remove the paper from it and put them back in the car. And here's the finished product. Oh, I need to put the little thing back on. What did I do with it? And here's the finished product. Left side. Yeah, she looks great to me. And the right side. All right, so everybody, you see what the finished product can look like. Whatever color you choose, make it work for you. The most important parts are, of course, to clean it. When you first take it out, clean it thoroughly. I did it with alcohol multiple times to get all the dirt and grime off, and then let it dry. Then I put primer on it, as you saw, and then I put my color that I chose on top. After that, then I did a clear coat on top of that. So the color itself was gloss deep blue, well, dark deep metallic blue. And then the top coat I actually did matte. So the finish is a little different. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you next week. Talk to you later. Oh yeah, please like, share, subscribe. Helps me out, helps me get more of this content out to all of you who own minis. Well, the R53s at least. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you later. Take care. Peace. If you're enjoying the channel, smash that. Hit that. Like, comment, share. Until next time, peace.